Hi everyone, this is Aya and I am very excited to share with you or do unboxing together for my design team package from Cricut. I am an ambassador for Cricut Middle East and I have been waiting for so long to receive my Cricut. And today morning, when I saw the FedEx guy, he put some envelopes and stuff and I saw 2 boxes. I said, wow, we have package. And my husband said, no, I came yesterday night from work and I checked the box. It has name Anna. So maybe it's for our neighbor. But he said, okay, but our neighbor, her name is not Anna. Then I went outside and I checked the boxes and it has Aya. Both boxes is written Aya. Then I saw that they are heavy and I thought maybe it's resin because usually, Total Boat Resin usually send me resin. But they just did like 2 weeks ago. Then I start to look, for a name. I said, Cricut? Oh no, finally. Now let's see what's inside. So the first thing we have this one, I have to read from the paper. It's called Ultimate Fine Point Pen Set. It has 30 colors and I used this before. Next we have something called Infusible Ink Pen Set and they sent me 2 of these. I don't know, how to use them. Anyway, there's so many things I have to read and research and learn for this new stuff. Then, okay, this is the second box or the second infusible ink. So they sent me 2. Okay, next we have the basic tool set. I'm really excited about this stuff. I have one, but it's for my scanning cut. Then next, what do we have? What do we have here? I don't know what to choose. Okay, this metallic one, called what? Foil transfer sheets. So exciting to use it. Also, I have 2 of these. And look at this holographic vinyl. Oh, so beautiful. And also they sent me 2 of these. I think this is a transfer sheet. Okay, we have another one of this holographic vinyl. It is 12 by 24 inches. Yeah, I'm reading from this paper and this is really handy so I know what I have. This one called what? Maybe Cricut Everyday Iron On. Yeah, Everyday Iron On, color gold, and also I have 2 of these. And this one looks so cool. It's like mermaid. This is infusible ink. What's invisible ink? Infusible ink. This is another one, Iron On. Then again, transfer sheet. Then the last one I'm really excited about, this one, I saw so many people are using it, called Cricut Easy Press. So I'm really excited about this one. Then we have a Cricut Matte color green. Okay, so this is the first box. Now let's come to the second box and the beauty and the princess. Not the princess, she's the queen, and which is a Cricut Maker. Let's open it. I feel I want to sing. Ta-da! Yeah, this is Cricut Maker. I don't know if it has a number or no, but I don't see. Just Cricut Maker. Okay, time to, open it. It's really heavy. Yeah, and my desk is not organized, but I didn't care. I was so excited. I said, okay, you know what? I'm going to film it. This is the first time in history, to receive something and film it and edit it in the same day. There are so many videos waiting for me to edit it, and I filmed them last year. Can you imagine? I don't know. When I'm free, I will do that. But this shows how I am excited about my Cricut Maker. Anyway, let's open the box. So the first thing you will see, like a package called Let's Get Started. I think it has all, I didn't open it till now, but I think all the manuals, this stuff. Then we have the machine, then the cord, then last thing we have 2 mats, right? 1 or 2? I think 2. Let's just take this box away. Yeah, so we have the machine, looks nice, and we have 2 mats, yeah, pink and blue. I think there's a difference between them. I'm going to create so many video tutorials, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, and then I said, okay, you know what, I need to put it in a very representable place. So beautiful, and this rose gold on the top. She's a queen. Really, really love her. Yeah, cleaning it. And here's with a slow motion video. So cool, right? So yeah, I am very excited about Cricut and using Cricut Maker. I know there's so many crafters using, Cricut machine, to do their cards and, create their stencil and cover plates die. So yes, I can't wait to create, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up, write me a comment down below if you have a Cricut and if you have used it, to create or to make your cards. I would love to know that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.